don't do braid, just scalp.
Ladies, listen.
Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair video, and if you guys think that you may be interested in today's hair video, then please make sure that you keep on watching. So today we are going to be reviewing this hair company. I have worked with this hair company before, so this is actually my second time working with them. And they have some really good quality hair, you guys. So this is their new upgraded 13x4 lace front wig, y'all. It's 100% glueless and it's pre-everything, okay? Pre-everything, and it's a Yaki straight texture. Now, they do send you over plenty of gifts. So once again, this unit is pre-everything. It comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything. The hair texture is giving y'all. It mimics natural hair. I'm just showing y'all the inside of the cap construction. You do get adjustable straps, a elastic band, and you do get peelable tape with this unit as well. Once again, look at those bye-bye knots, y'all. The knots are bleached to perfection. We are going to go ahead and get into this install, you guys. Y'all, this unit fits my head like a glove, okay? I just already know that this is going to be a really good glueless unit, and I love it. Now, we are going to go ahead and get ready to tape down the sides. So you want to make sure that your skin is clear from any oils or anything, okay? So this is optional. I just chose to use the peelable tape to secure my sides. And I'm going to tug on it a little bit just to show you guys that it is 100% secure and very effective. Very effective. This unit does give you plenty of parting space, okay? So you can wear this unit in numerous different styles. You can do a middle part, side part, or a C part. Now, I am going to add some of my powder foundation to blend in the lace because we're not using any glue, you guys. This unit is 100% glueless. No glue at all whatsoever. I'm going to spray down my hair with my hairspray, and we are going to press the hair down, okay? Press it on down. Once again, this unit is 100% glueless. I'm lifting it up. I'm using my comb and just showing you guys no glue. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just straighten it out just a little bit, not too much because the texture is already straight. It's already a Yaki straight texture, so I'm just putting a little bit of heat on it, just a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in into today's hair video. All details on this unit will be down in the description box below. So make your purchase today to slay with Jay. Okay. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all post notifications so every time that I post a video, you will be notified. And I will catch y'all on my next video. Mwah.